What is up, guys? Today we will be talking about how you guys can make YouTube Shorts channel and earn money. The process is pretty simple. For that, you just have to be at your Google and then we will go to the YouTube. Now, in the YouTube, you simply have to log into your Google account, obviously. Now, after logging into your Google account, the Google account is actually your YouTube account as well. This is what you will see. Here, if you click on your profile, you just have to click on this create a channel. Now, after clicking on this create a channel, you just have to give your channel a name and then click on this create channel. Now, after clicking on this create channel, it will take some time to load and it will set up the channel for you. Now, as you can see, this is how your channel will look like. Here you have to click on your profile once again and then click on YouTube Studio. And there you go. This is your YouTube Creator Studio or your channel dashboard. Now, in order to make it or optimize it for shorts, you don't have to anything. You just have to, start uploading your short videos. Now, how you can upload your short videos? Just make sure your videos are like 1 minute or less, and then your videos are 9 by 16. If you have that, just upload the video, and there you go. Your video will automatically be uploaded into shorts. So if I'll be able to go to the content, currently I do not have any content, so I cannot say right here. You just have to upload your short videos and your channel will be optimized for short videos. So that's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to make short videos channel. Now, earning money. In order to earn money, you need to qualify for these things. You need to fulfill these requirements. First things first, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and you need to have at least 4,000 hours of watch time for the last 365 days from last 1 year. Now, if you have both of these things, one of these thing is, well, that you need to have at least 10 million views for the last 90 days. If you do not have one or you have less views, you won't be qualified for, monetization. If you do that, you'll be able to monetize your channel and earn money from YouTube Shorts. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.